everyone, welcome back to Celebration. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma sikhuluma ke nge-smoke and mirrors noma sikhuluma nge-slot la kade kudlala khona ke i-smoke and mirrors. You wanna say guys ukuthi ke smoke and mirrors is coming to an end ngo-April. Iyaphela ke finish klar and siqalile ve guys ukukhombisa ukuthi ke iyaphela njengoba ke uJason ke eseshonile njengamanje ebulewe uthandiswa kanye ke nesoka lakhe. So guys, kune story ke esisha that is coming kuthiwa ke Emzini Legacy story ke sizo replace Smoke and Mirrors. It's about Alexandra Township reputation, but reputation is everything, power is earned, respect is fought for, and family legacy can either build or break you. I think it's one of those stories like because I saw ukuthi umuntu ke osibhalile ulewe kade ke ebhala imbewu noma kade ke esebenza ke kwimbewu, so you can expect something similar to lento esasibuka kwimbewu, ama families, the legacy of the families, secrets revealed, lies and so it's one ke of those abakawavezi ke ama cast members ukuthi obani ke bazobe ke bedlala ke kulowo mdlalo ke Emzini the Legacy. But guys, after 3 seasons, Smoke and Mirrors is coming to an end and we are introduced to this new story. Esithemba ukuthi ke we will enjoy. I don't know guys, but I feel like this year iy'tori ey'ningi nje ziphelile, iy'tori ey'ningi iphelile. Smoke and Mirrors yaphela, House of Zwide yaphela, e.tv Scandal yaphela. Yo, Tonga, okay, those ones from Mzansi Magic we know, but nje when it comes to e.tv ayicaziphelile ke iy'tori ke ey'ningi. So guys, that bring us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ke yini ama expectations akho kulo mdlalo ke omusha ke ozayo. Bye.